Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss questions on chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation, and this chapter is very much important, so please go through this chapter and go through the MCQ given to you by me. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and relatives. Question 1. Slide 1, question 1. The tendency of offspring to differ from their parent is called A. Variation, B. Heredity, C. Inheritance, D. Resemblance. The tendency of offspring to differ from their parent is called. And the answer for this question is A. That is variation. Question second. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Humans knew in early era that causes of variation are linked with sexual reproduction. B. Sahiwal cows are an example of artificial selection. C. Our ancestors had little idea about scientific basis of variation. D. All of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? And the answer to the second question is D. That is all of the above is correct. Slide second, question 1. During his experiment, Mendel used the term factor for A. Gene, B. Trait, C. Characters, D. Qualities. During his experiment, Mendel used the term factor for, and the answer for the first question is A. That is genes. Question second. Genes which codes for pair of contrasting characters are A. Recessive character, B. Dominant character, C. Alleles, D. Alternative genes. Genes which code for pair of contrasting characters are, and the answer to the second question is C, that is alleles. Slide third, question 1. In law of independent assortment, how many factors are involved for a dihybrid cross? A2, B3, C4, D1. In law of independent assortment, how many factors are involved for a dihybrid cross? And the answer to the first question is A, that is Sec2. Second question. Which cross was used to study the independent assortment? Monohybrid cross, B. Dihybrid cross, C. Trihybrid cross, D. Tetrahybrid cross. Which cross was used to study the independent assortment? And the answer to the second question is B. That is dihybrid cross. Slide 4, question 1. Who proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance? A. Sachan and Mendel, B. Boveri and Morgan, C. Morgan and Mendel, D. Sutton and Boveri. Who proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance? And the answer to the first question is A. D. That is Sutton and Boveri. Second question. Experimental evidence of chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by A. T. H. Morgan, B. T. H. Morgan, sorry, A option is H. T. Morgan, B. T. H. Morgan, C. H. D. Veris, and D. D. Veris. Experimental evidence of chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by, and the answer to the second question is B, that is T. H. Morgan. Slide 5th, question 1. Linkage group is A. Linearly arranged group of linked gene, B. Non-linearly arranged group of linked gene, C. Non-linearly arranged group of unliked gene, D. Non-linearly arranged group of single gene. Linkage group is, and the answer to the first question is A, that is linearly arranged group of linked gene. Question second. Which of the following statement is not true of two genes that show 50% combination frequency? A. The gene may be on different chromosome. B. The gene are tightly linked. C. The genes show independent assortment. D. If the genes are present on the same chromosome, they undergo more than one crossover in every meiosis. Which of the following statement is not true of two genes that show 50% recombination frequency? And the answer to the second question is B, that is the genes are tightly linked. Slide 6, the question 1. Choose the incomplete pair amongst the following. A. Male bird homogametic, B. Female bird heterogametic, C. Male Drosophila heterogametic, D. None of the above. Choose the incorrect pair among the following. And the answer to the first question is D, that is none of the above is incorrect. Second question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. X body of Hankin was given the name X chromosome. B. In many insects, all egg bears an additional X chromosome beside autosome. C. X chromosome is a sex chromosome as it is involved in sex determination. D. None of the above. Which of the following statement is incorrect? And the incorrect statement is D. That is none of the above is incorrect. Slide 7, question 1. Mutations are A. Chemical agents which cause change in DNA. B. Physical agents which cause mutation. C. Cancer producing gene agents. D. More than one option is correct. Mutations are, and the answer to the first question is D. That is more than one option is correct. Question second. Sickle cell anemia is classical example of A. Frame shift mutation. B. Point mutation. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Sickle cell anemia is classical example of, and the answer to the second question is B. That is point mutation. Slide 8. Question 1. Analysis of trait of several generations of a family in the form of diagram is called A. Gene analysis. B. Chromosome analysis. C. Allele analysis. D. Pedigree analysis. Analysis of trait of several generations of a family in the form of diagram is called, and the answer to the first question is D. That is pedigree analysis. Question second. Pedigree analysis is very important in human being because A. It has genetic counselors to avoid disorders. B. It shows origin of trait. C. It shows the flow of trait in family. D. All of the above. Pedigree analysis is very important in human being because, and the answer to the second question is D. That is all of the above. Slide 9, question 1. Phenylketonuria disease is A. Autosomal dominant. B. Autosomal recessive. C. Sex-linked recessive. D. Sex-linked dominant. Phenylketonuria disease is and the answer to the first question is B. That is autosomal recessive. Question second. Failure of segregation of chromatid during cell division cycle result in the gain or loss of chromosome which as called A. Aneuploidy. B. Hypoploidy. C. Hyperploidy. D. Polyploidy. Failure of segregation of chromatid during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosome which as called. And the answer to the second question is A. That is aneuploidy. Slide 10, question 1. Substitution of valine at 6 position of beta globulin chain of hemoglobin results in individual suffering from A. Hemophilia. B. Phenylketonuria. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Down syndrome. Substitution of valine at 6 position of beta globulin chain of hemoglobin results in individual suffering from. And the answer to the first question is A. That is hemophilia. Question second. In sickle cell anemia, GAG is replaced by A. GGA. B. GUG. C. AAG. D. GGG. In sickle cell anemia, GAG is replaced by, and the answer to the second question is B. That is GUG. And we complete 20 questions on this chapter, that is principle of inheritance and variation. Please do go through the question of previous video also. Thank you friends. Keep smiling always. Be safe at your homes. Bye bye.